Yo, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. This is LK, and this is a new week. You know what that means? New trading opportunity. So I just got up, and right now I'll be on the chart. We're starting this new week with some new energy. This week I've taken out GDP JPY off my watch list, and right now I think I'll just be doing the NAS 100 NASDAQ. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. Last week was a losing week for me. I lost 2 trades, but let's just see how this week will go. Hopefully probability be on our side. Catch you guys. Yo, what's good? So this is an update on the trade that I executed today, and this trade, damn, I hit stop loss. I just started this week with another loss. This is like the 4th losing streak. I've lost back to back. This is the 4th loss on the roll, but either way, let's just see how it goes. Losses are inevitable, and the thing is that I just switched pair and I'm losing on this new pair, but either way, let's just see how it goes. We'll still come back tomorrow to do our thing. We'll still come back to do our thing. So let me show you the dashboard of this account. Let me show you the dashboard. Yeah, so this is my dashboard, and right now the account balance, this is the account balance. We've been down for a very long time because at some point we were up, I think 158 profits, but we are down. And this is my trailing drawdown. You know, the trailing drawdown is at $250, and right now from the highest point I've lost about $114. You get? So we still have a little bit of room in this drawdown, but it's actually not good. Let's just see how it goes. I'll update you guys. The thing is that on this trade I was trying to close a 0.01 lot on this trade, but I don't know, I couldn't, because I just wanted to lose $20 on the trade, not $20. But I don't know why. I was trying to close the 0.01, but it was not showing me. It was just showing me to close the whole 0.05 trade. So either way, let's just see how it goes. I think I'm done for the day. Tomorrow I will come back and do my thing. You get? See you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Yo, so what's good? I'm back on the chart today, and today I actually lost my first trade and I got emotional, and then I entered another trade because the first trade, though, I saw a setup first and the market never came back to retest my entry. This was the first trade, this candle break here. I was expecting a retest around here, around these points, right? I was expecting this retest, but the market never came back to this point, and then it broke another QP with a structure here, this point here. So I cancelled this order, and then I entered this one here, this new break. I think it was within a minute or so the market just came back, retest, and that same 1 minute candle took me out. Yeah, this was the trade here. It was at this point, this retest point, the market just took me out. This 1 minute candle, but I noticed something. I saw the market reacting on the first entry I got. So although it was not my strategy, but I just got emotional on the chart and then took a buy from that point. I think I wanted to take the buy along this point, but I got into the trade. I think it was around this point, and then I just held the trade up to this QP and closed. I think it was a 0.7, okay, 0.77. Let's just say 0.8 trade, you get. And I recovered a bit on that account, because this first trade I think I lost 20 or $21, and then this second trade gave me about $16 back. So I think I'm just down today with $5 or so. Yeah, I'm just down today $5.27. But this second trade, actually it was not my strategy. It was not my strategy. So this second trade was a bad trade. The first trade is actually a good trade. It was my strategy, but I actually messed up on the second trade. But I'm still in the market. Hopefully maybe I get another setup today, but let's just see how it goes. Update you guys. Bye for now. Yo, what's good? So I actually took another trade after the last update. This was the last update, right? I lost here 1 hour, and then I won this one. I think it's a 0.7 hour, so I was down like 0.3 hour, and then I took this trade. This trade also hit my stop loss. This trade hit my stop loss, and it was my strategy quite alright, but it hit my stop loss and then reversed. So with this trade and this trade, I was down total about $29. Yeah, I was down $29, and then the next candle actually closed still on my strategy. It gave me a sell. It gave me a sell signal, but then I've already taken loss and I was scared of losing more. You get, I entered the trade, I got skeptical, and then I hopped out of the trade because I was scared of losing more. So the trade actually went my way, but I left the trade about when it was around $14 profit. Yeah, $14 or so. If I have held this trade, I think I would be out of the drawdown for today and also made the profit for the day, because this trade almost did a 1 to 6. I think this is kind of how NQ, how Nasdaq moves. The volatility is quite high, and the movement is actually fast, because when I was in this last trade, it was going against me and it was moving so fast, like it would just go against me in minutes. But I think this is how the pair moves. It's not like the GBP that I was trading, that it would take hours, like 3-4 hours for me to hit TP or stop loss. This happens in minutes. Like the first trade of today, it just tagged me in and immediately went to stop loss. You get, so I think I'll be kind of patient with this pair and just do what my strategy says I should do, and just focus on doing the right thing. Stop loss or TP shouldn't be my issue. You get. So today is kind of crazy. Total, I took 4 trades, and that's actually against my plan. My plan is just to take 1 trade per day. So right now I think I am down just $14 for the day, right? I'm down just $14. So I think I'll just leave the chart and then come back tomorrow, else I might self-sabotage myself. You get. It's actually not feeling good. I'm not feeling good about everything happening right now, but either ways I can't do much than this. If I do more than this, I think I'll self-sabotage for the day. So I think I need to come back tomorrow with the right mental, with the strong mentals. You get. These are the fucking demons in trading. Overtrading, not following your plans, indiscipline and all that. So I don't want self-sabotage. I'll come back tomorrow and still do my thing. The market gives opportunity every day. So see you guys tomorrow. Yo, so what's good? Welcome back to my chat, and this is Friday. This is the last trading day for this week. So far I think I've taken just 8 trades for this week. Actually, I'm supposed to take just 1 trade per day. You get. I took 1 trade on Monday, which was a loss, and when I came to the chart on Tuesday, things got a bit messy and I took about 4 trades that day, but I came out with a $14 loss for that day. It's not up to 1 hour of what I'm risking, because I'm risking $20 per trade on that account. So I lost $14 that day and I took 4 trades. Yeah, on Wednesday I came to the market, I couldn't find any setup, and yesterday I saw one setup. I think it was around this point here. I longed the market from here up to this point, and I got a 1 to 2 with this move here. I think this was the move, something like this. Yeah, so this is a 1 to 2 trade that I got yesterday, and right now I think I'm at break even. We're just down $2. We are just down $2. Just so this basically break even for me, and I'm still on the chart today looking for another trade. Hopefully I get another trade to close the week with. So either way, let's just see how it goes. I will update you guys. So from the starting of this week, I actually used to trade GPJPY, but I actually switched pair to NAS 100. You get, I actually switched to NAS 100, and the thing is that on that GPJPY, I'm still watching the chart, and I've been following up. Actually, if I was to trade this pair this week, I would have been up, I think, about 5 hours, because on Monday, this was the trade on Monday that I spotted on this pair, and this trade actually gave me a 1 hour. Right, this trade is a 1 hour trade, and on Tuesday, that day that I did rubbish on Nasdaq, this trade actually moved like a 2 hour on this day, went to full TP. Then this was Wednesday, yeah, this was Wednesday, and I actually got another 2 hour trade. So total for this week on the GDP if I've traded it, I would have gotten a 5 hour. But the thing is, I actually wish I had another account so that I will be trading one pair on one account and the other pair on the other account, because this actually is smooth. These 3 trades, these 3 wins in a row is actually smooth, but the problem might come where I take maybe the losing trade from here and then the other pair wins. You get, why trading 2 pair at once? So that will actually hurt me more than this. You get, this I'm just observing it for now, but actually this week went well on GPJPY. So I'm thinking of like getting another account to trade GPJPY on one account and NAS on the other account. The reason I actually like NAS is that that pair is actually fast. It's actually fast, and this GPJPY I can see a setup in the morning and then hit full TP maybe at night or something. But sometimes to here is also fast, but let's just see how it goes. I prefer trading NAS for now, but I actually love it if I had a second account, you get. But I spotted another trade for today and it's actually not moving. It's around the entry. It's around the entry, but I'm not trading it. I'm just observing it, you get. I'm just observing it. For NAS, I haven't seen any trade for today. So either ways, let's just see how it goes. I will update you guys. Bye for now. Yo, what's good? So I think I'm done for this week. I didn't get any setup today. I was on the chart all through, but the market didn't give me any setup, so I can't force anything. Right now I'm done. This week has been a crazy week. On Tuesday I almost self-sabotaged myself, but I actually did the right thing to just leave the chart and come back the next day. So I think I took a couple of trades and I actually came out at break even. It's just a -2 dollar loss for the week. So basically that's a break even for me. This is a break even week. I'll come back next week with a right mental and follow my plan and just focus on executing properly, you get. So I'll see you guys next week. Tell me in the comment section how your trading week went. For me, this is my P&L for this week. So I'll catch you guys next week. Bye for now. Peace.